Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add Roku TV to Roku app. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Setup connection. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Connect. Your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store. Find and install Roku app. Log in to your Roku account. Select your Roku device. That's it. Now you know how to add Roku TV to Roku app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.